Hey, what's up? Sami here. As Redmi K20 Pro unboxings and reviews are all over the internet, but you barely see any for the Redmi K20. So let's get to it in this video. And just for the record, Xiaomi is going to name the China version K20 and the K20 Pro to Mi 9T and Mi 9T Pro for international market. The only difference is the logo at the back of the phone, as you can see from the leaked pictures. All the specs are exactly the same, so I might call it Mi 9T hands-on as well. Without further ado, let's get it started. The packaging is pretty much the same as K20 Pro. You can see a cute Godzilla at the back trying to swallow something. Under the box, it's printed with a color and storage tracer. Mine, the glacier version, comes with 8 gigs of RAM plus 256 gigs of ROM. When you open the box, the first layer is the pen, a manual, this paperwork, and a pretty solid black phone case. Gotta say, it's much better quality than those transparent cover that comes with previous Xiaomi phones. Then is the phone, a Type-C cable, and an 18-watt fast charger. I have to remind you, for the Redmi K20, this supports only up to 18-watt fast charge, not like 27-watt on the Redmi K20 Pro. On the design-wise, the screen, the color, and the craft on both K20 and the K20 Pro are the same. When you flash light on it, it generates this cool and elegant flame pattern. Move to the bottom, you can see a Type-C port, a dual nano SIM card slot. By the way, it doesn't support SD card expansion. On the top, you can see a pop-up front camera module, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a mic. Since the selfie camera module takes way too much space, they emit the infrared blaster. The design is the same as K20 Pro. Now, let's talk about the difference. The biggest one is, of course, the chipset. The K20 features Snapdragon 730, where the Pro has the Snapdragon 855. The second one is the main camera. It has a switch from the Sony IMX586 sensor on K20 Pro to IMX582 on K20. Is that a big difference? Not really. Well, for IMX586, it supports 4K 60fps video recording. For IMX582, only supports 4K 30fps. And one last thing of the camera difference, for K20 Pro, it features laser focus as well, but not on K20. For other camera specs, they stay the same. Both support 13MP wide angle, 8MP telephoto, and 2x zoom. If you are wondering how the screen looks like on K20, I can definitely say it is as gorgeous as K20 Pro, where on Xiaomi's official site, it didn't specifically say which screen they use, like on K20 Pro, which the latter has the Samsung's AMOLED one. I bet they're the same regarding the brightness, the viewing experience from my point of view. Around Antutu benchmark and Geekbench for both phones, as you may care most about the two phones' hardware performance. For K20, Antutu got around 210K scores. For K20 Pro, it's around 317K scores. For the Geekbench, the single-core scores and the multi-core scores is as listed on the screen. What do you guys think about it? Now, move to the gaming test. For both phones, they support Mi Game Turbo. However, when PUBG for K20 only supports HD image quality and high frames, not like the super high frames and HDR plus image quality on the Pro version. From my gaming experience, it performs much smooth and stable than Snapdragon 710 and Snapdragon 660. To be honest, I wouldn't worry that much about this Snapdragon 730 chipset gaming performance. I need to worry about my gaming skills. For the audio quality performance, it claims to feature Qualcomm's acoustic audio codec technology. You know, the real hi-fi level. From my test, yes, it's loud and has a better performance than previous Mi phones. However, if you just listen to it without headphones, it's actually not as good as these phones featured with dual stereo speakers like iPhone or even Meizu 16s. But if you put on a headset, then you will notice the big difference comparing with other phones. It's just awesome. Last thing I want to mention is the super battery life. The K20 features a 4000 mAh battery. You can easily use it for one day, even if you are a heavy user. It outperforms Mi 9, as Snapdragon 730 has less power consumption. To be honest, the K20 has the best battery life of all the new phones I've reviewed so far this year. I'm pretty happy with it. So, to conclude, price at $290 US, the K20 maybe is the best phone you can buy. As for other phones at the same price range, they either have a watered down chipset or a less satisfying design like the plastic bag or something. I definitely recommend the Redmi K20 if you are looking to get a new smartphone. That's it guys. If you still have any questions about the phone, please leave a comment below. Huge thanks to my content partner Tech. For more about the phone, you can check out or even consider buying one on my sponsor's website, Geekbuying. All links are down in the description. Thanks for watching. I'm Sammy. See you next time.